Welcome to the J Show again, and this is the Nerf Ultra AMP Gun, and it goes 120 feet and 36 miles. And this is what it looks like. So this right here is one of the Nerf targets I will be showing you with. The cool thing is that these actually can float, and you can also hit these 3 targets too. Whoops. I took 2 out. I rate this gun a 4 because 4 out of 5. I rate this gun out of 4 out of 5 because the blast rate is super cool and the aiming is super good too. And it just feels like it's so much overpowered. I have so much control of it. Bye. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell as hard as you can.